Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get up to $200 in free Bitcoin as a Coinbase sign-up bonus. New Coinbase users can earn up to $200 in Bitcoin as a sign-up bonus. You must be a first-time user and complete identity verification. Next, a minimum crypto purchase of around $50 is required. Note that the offer varies by country and has a time limit. Now, to claim the bonus, sign up on Coinbase and verify your ID. Then add a payment method, such as a bank account or card. Next, buy eligible crypto with the required minimum. After that, claim your Bitcoin reward after the purchase. Then, keep in mind a few things. Most users get between $3 to $10, while a few get $100 to $200. Now, do not mix this with other promotions unless allowed. Next, check deadlines and purchase requirements carefully. Finally, review your local terms inside the Coinbase app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.